Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The answer is yes, you can substitute vodka for rum in a mojito. The standard recipe for the mojito calls for a mix of rum, fresh limes, or lime juice, club soda, sugar, and mint leaves. This classic Cuban cocktail is both delicious and refreshing and has many variations, such as the vodka mojito discussed above.
Take our lead.
It doesn't quite have girly drink status, but it's still a far cry from ordering a whiskey on the rocks or an IPA. It's less pretentious than a glass of wine, and it's more adventurous than your standard light beer options. The mojito trick works for men and women.
Take our lead.
Besides vodka, you can use tequila, gin or bourbon to make a mojito. The drink won't taste like the original recipe, but it will still be full of fresh flavors and equally invigorating. Spiced or flavored rum as well as infused vodkas also add a layer of flavor to mojitos.
Let's help you make your mark.
Daiquiri. A mojito's elegance lies in its simplicity and ability to highlight really good ingredients. Rusty knot. Minty cocktails are reliable when you need a quick cool down during summer heat waves. Paloma caliente. Rum swizzle. Mint julep. Gin Ricky. Chilcano.
Take our lead.
But, to most bartenders, the mojito is the quintessential, it takes too long to make, drink. The mojito embodies every reason a bartender hates to make a cocktail. Sugar and fresh lime juice, two sticky ingredients many bartenders dislike, are added, along with rum and soda water.
Let's help you make your mark.
13%. How strong is the mojito? The mojito is not a terribly strong cocktail. When made with 80 proof rum, the alcohol content falls in the 13% ABV, 26 proof, range. That makes it equivalent to a glass of wine, only far more refreshing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.